All right, these are the waterfall lights from Costco. They're great. Here's some installation tips. Number one, we just got those clear command hooks. Put them about every 6 inches. There's about 16 of them. It was too heavy on the end, so I just put a couple nails. I would go all the way to the top of the ceiling if you have normal 10-foot ceilings. So go all the way to the top of the ceiling, because as you can see up here, there's no lights along the top, which is kind of a bummer. Okay, so number one, do not unfurl them. Okay, just hang them up all the way across the top. Put those strips up, let them set, put nails up, whatever you want to do, about every 6 inches, and you'll end up with about 20 of them, okay? Then, starting at one end, start to unfurl them, take the twisties off, pull them out towards you, and then twist to the left, and that will make it straight. Lay it down, do the next one, do the next one. Someone else on the other end can work that way towards the middle, and you can work towards the middle from both sides, but you're going to want to take your time, pull them out, stretch them, and make sure that they're not getting tangled. Do not do anything on the ground with these. Wait till they're all hung up, and then one at a time, take the twisty off, pull it out, twist it to the left, and then lay it straight. That will be much, much easier than what we did. Do you like your lights? Awesome. Merry Christmas.